A simple question that I get asked on a literal daily basis would be, should I rotate through beard products? My genuine response is always, whatever works for you is the best answer. There's no right or wrong. There's no like master playbook for any of this stuff. If you rotate and you feel like you get some benefit out of it, awesome, keep going. If you just feel like it's not for you because of your budget, because of your preference, or you just think that it's nothing, it doesn't make a difference, that's amazing as well. I personally believe there is a benefit in rotating beard wash and beard oil. The other products, possibly, but nowhere near as impactful as going through different beard oils and beard washes in your rotation. And in this video, I will explain why, you guys. But first, a quick introduction. My name is Dan C. Bearden. Thank you for checking out this video. That does mean a lot to me. If you guys like this topic and you like that the answer has already been dropped in the first minute, hit a quick thumbs up, aka the like button on this video. And if you like learning about beards, consider subscribing. Go look at my video tab, go look at my live stream tab, the community tab. Just see the type of content and vibes that I put out there. I have a feeling you might enjoy it. Thank you to those new subscribers and a huge shout out to the returning ones. So I do have a video on this that's several years old that's called the plateau effect. That's a much more scientific and kind of in-depth video covering the same topic. Now, I wanted to make a new video that is a little bit more kind of for the masses, right? Not everybody is a super beard nerd and loves all the details, but they want information. I have a question, can you please answer it? So that's what we're gonna do today in this video. Yes, I do believe there is an actual biological, even I don't know if that's the right word for it, there's an actual physical benefit, outside of just mental, but a physical benefit in rotating your beard oil and your beard wash. The reason being, those are the products making contact with the skin every single day. Yes, I do believe you should use a beard wash every day. I do believe you should use a beard oil every day. Think about where the growth and the delivery of health comes from with our beard. It's at the base, it's at the skin, it's the follicle of the hair that is delivering the nutrients. I've said it a million times on this channel, but every single hair that you have on your beard has two different blood vessels that get the highway of nutrition to where it needs to go, and then it carries on down through there. If you don't believe me, don't drink any water tomorrow. Don't actually do this, I don't recommend this. But go very light on your water and then see if your beard feels different. The answer is yes, because that hydration is delivered to the follicle and then it transfers down the beard. It's wild, right? Everyone's like, hair's dead. Not quite. That change is absolutely beneficial for a main reason. Our bodies are registering change. That's it. That is the difference. If you're using a different oil, even if they're similar, there's gonna be some kind of difference when we look at the makeup of the different like acid profiles, if we look at the things that make it up, right? Whether it's the different vitamins, whether it's the percentages, there's going to be a difference. Even if it's the same ingredients, there's probably different ratios. There's probably different fragrances or essential oils that could make a difference. So when it makes contact with your skin, if you're using the same thing every day, your body becomes nose blind to it. Now, I'm not talking about smell here, but it's the same exact concept. If you're a smoker, you smoke every day, at first you smell it, eventually you still smell like it, but you don't register it in your head because it's nothing different. It's just like your vision. We can see the same thing and it just kind of becomes numb to us. You're not even realizing all the things you see right now until something changes. If you're looking at your phone right now or your computer, you don't notice everything behind it. But if something were to just streak behind the computer, hopefully not streak, you know, hey, yo, watch it. But if something were to go behind the computer, behind the phone right now, you would notice that because there was change. Your body does the same with your beard. It uses that same wash, it uses that same oil, and it just kind of becomes normal. When you switch it, there's different traits and properties that those new products bring, and your body's like, whoa, 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 what is this? And oftentimes it's a great feeling. That's why there's a lot of consumers, when they try a new company, they fall in love. If you follow online, people go crazy. They try something, this is the best I've ever used, my beard's never felt better, my beard's never looked better. And while all of that could be true, it's usually a product of change. Now, if they take a break from the product they had been using, those oils and washes, they come back to it in a week or in a month, then boom, they get a new love of that one because their body wasn't used to that same type of properties. The reason why balm, butter, conditioner, wax don't make as much of a difference is because those are not supposed to be getting down to the skin. They remain on the hair, and our hair does not have as much of a system to be able to understand that change. It's got to get down to that living skin and to the follicle where the growth and the health is happening. So that would kind of lay it out. Now, to answer your question that I know some of you are already typing, well, what does that look like, Dan? What's an optimal rotation? How often? How many? I'll give you my thoughts here. I do believe you can have an amazing rotation of 3 oils and 2 washes. Now, is more better? It could be. I use more, clearly, it has to do with my job, but definitely 3 different oils. Here's the key. Different viscosities and different ingredients make the difference. If you have 3 thick oils that are sealing and coating, there's probably some benefit to the change. However, it's nowhere near if you were to have something like, even like mustache wax, not a big deal. I want to make sure I covered that one too. But if you were to have something like a thick oil, a medium oil, and a thin oil, whoo, baby. If you're to rotate that thin oil is going to deeply penetrate into the skin where the other oils don't. The thick oil is going to seal and coat and give you a different nourishment for the hair and sealing that follicle to protect it throughout the day. Whoo, the medium's going to do a little bit of both. That's an amazing rotation. Wash. Just get different washes from different companies. They're going to have different ingredients, different pH levels. It's going to make a difference. Now, with those 3 oils, should you stay a week for each and rotate? I recommend rotating daily. It's a very rare occasion that I wear the same oil or any product back-to-back days. I don't ever use the same wash back-to-back. I don't ever use the same oil, nothing. I rotate my body wash, my face wash, pretty much every product I have because I want to keep my body guessing. Now, I've heard that term since I was a kid, and I thought it may have been a wives' tale. This one kind of checks out and makes sense. If your body's getting used to something and then you keep switching it up, it's like, what's this new property? What's this new trait? And it does make a difference. Again, however, with that said, there are people that I know, that I trust, that have great experience, have great perspective, and they say, Dan, doesn't make a difference for me. Hey, rock on. Absolutely nobody trying to convince you guys here. I'm just conveying my information, my experience, and I've heard from thousands of you over the years, that's beneficial. So down below, please leave a comment with your experience. Have you rotated? Did you notice a difference? How many days are you rotating? How many products are you rotating? Let us know down below, you guys. And then, of course, what questions do you have? I would love to clarify. I would love to go deeper. I respond to every single comment and question on this channel, you guys. Thank you so much. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Cannot wait to read the comments today. Genuinely, please stay bearded and stay positive.